Little Tiger woke up after hearing his family's empty soup pot rumbling sadly. He carefully dug through the muddy riverbank, searching for tiny worms. With gentle paws, the little tiger placed the worm onto the fishing hook. Suddenly, the baby tiger pulled up his very first shiny fish. Proudly carrying the fish basket, he hurried home through the jungle path.
This is wonderful! Best dinner we've had all week!
I love the fish, Dad!
Make sure you eat your vegetables too.